Guangzhou Dadua Packing Machinery Company Limited, hereinafter referred to as Dadua Machinery, is an automatic packing machine enterprise that integrates design, research and development, production, and provide OEM custom packaging services. Our company has strong technical team, professional manufacturing capabilities, and comprehensive service system. It was founded in 2007. The equipment manufactured by Dadua has been deeply trusted and praised by users since it was put on the market, and its business covers more than 100 countries around the world. The company has over 73 employees, over 9 persons in the mechanical R&D teams. Most of them are with over 15 years experience, over 47 manufacturing technical workers, and over 17 persons in water-soluble film production teams. Our factory area is over 30,000 square meters. In order to better serve customers, we have launched one-stop procurement. In 2015, the printing and bag making of composite films began, guaranteed the supply of front-end packaging. In 2017, the production of PVA water-soluble films were extended. The quality of the water-soluble films currently produced is comparable to that of international imported materials, and the price is only 40% of the imported brands, truly taking our customers' interests into consideration. Guangzhou Dadua Packing Machinery Company Limited in Guangzhou, integrity, pragmatic, and progressive as the core values, focusing on cultural characteristics to meet the real needs of customers, and customers establish long-term mutual respect and mutual cooperation relations. Pragmatic customers first.